Unlocking creativity is about tapping into the limitless potential of the human mind to generate original ideas, solve problems, and innovate. Creativity isn't just the domain of artists or inventors. It's a vital skill that can be nurtured and developed in anyone, regardless of their field. The process of unlocking creativity begins with cultivating a mindset that values curiosity and openness. By asking questions, challenging assumptions, and seeking out new experiences, you create fertile ground for creative ideas to grow. A key to unlocking creativity is embracing playfulness and the willingness to experiment. When we allow ourselves to play with ideas, without worrying about immediate results or judgments, we open up possibilities that might otherwise remain hidden. This playful approach encourages risk-taking, which is essential for creativity. After all, some of the greatest innovations have come from ideas that initially seemed unconventional or even impossible. Another powerful way to unlock creativity is by changing your environment or routine. Creativity thrives on variety and novelty, so stepping outside your usual patterns can provide fresh perspectives. This might mean traveling to new places, engaging with different cultures, or simply rearranging your workspace. Even small changes, like taking a walk or trying a new hobby, can stimulate your brain and help you see things in a new light. Collaboration is also a critical component of unlocking creativity. Working with others who have different skills, experiences, and viewpoints can lead to the cross-pollination of ideas, sparking creativity in ways that solitary work might not. Brainstorming sessions, creative workshops, and open discussions are all opportunities to blend ideas and build on each other's strengths, leading to more innovative outcomes. Moreover, it's important to recognize that creativity isn't a linear process. It often involves periods of incubation, where ideas are subconsciously processed and connections are made without conscious effort. Allowing time for reflection and mental rest is crucial. It's often during these quiet moments that breakthroughs occur. Techniques such as mindfulness, meditation, or simply daydreaming can help your mind relax and make space for creative insights to emerge. Finally, overcoming the fear of failure is vital for unlocking creativity. Creativity requires vulnerability because it involves bringing something new into the world, which might not always be accepted or understood right away. By viewing failures as learning experiences rather than setbacks, you create an environment where creativity can thrive. Each attempt, successful or not, is a step forward in the creative journey. In essence, unlocking creativity is about creating the right conditions both mentally and environmentally that allow ideas to flow freely. It's about embracing curiosity, playfulness, diversity, collaboration, and resilience. By doing so, you can tap into your inherent creative potential, generating innovative ideas and solutions that have the power to change the world. Unlocking creativity is like opening a door to a world where possibilities are endless, and limitations are merely opportunities in disguise. Creativity isn't just about art or invention. It's a way of thinking, a tool for problem solving, and a pathway to innovation in any field. The first step in unlocking creativity is recognizing that it's not a rare gift bestowed on a select few, but a skill that can be developed and nurtured by anyone. To unlock creativity, it's essential to cultivate a mindset that embraces curiosity and wonder. Children are naturally creative because they are constantly exploring, questioning, and imagining. As adults, we can reignite this sense of wonder by allowing ourselves to be curious about the world around us, asking questions that don't have immediate answers, and being open to the unexpected. Curiosity drives exploration, and exploration leads to discovery, which is the heart of the creative process. One powerful way to unlock creativity is by embracing constraints. While it may seem counterintuitive, limitations can actually foster creativity by forcing you to think outside the box. Constraints challenge you to find new ways to approach a problem, often leading to more innovative solutions than if you had limitless resources. Whether it's a tight deadline, a limited budget, or specific project requirements, embracing these challenges as opportunities can lead to creative breakthroughs. Another critical element in unlocking creativity is the willingness to embrace failure and learn from it. The fear of failure can be one of the biggest barriers to creativity, as it stifles risk-taking and experimentation. However, failure is an inherent part of the creative process. Many of the world's greatest innovations were preceded by numerous failures. By reframing failure as a stepping stone rather than a setback, you create an environment where creativity can flourish. Each failure provides valuable insights that bring you closer to success. Diversity is another key to unlocking creativity. Surrounding yourself with people who have different perspectives, backgrounds, and experiences can enrich your creative process. Diverse teams bring a variety of ideas and approaches to the table, leading to more innovative and well-rounded solutions. Engaging in discussions with people who think differently from you and actively seeking out diverse experiences can spark new ideas and challenge your own assumptions. Creativity also thrives in environments that promote relaxation and mental clarity. The mind needs space to wander and make connections that aren't immediately obvious. Taking breaks, engaging in physical activity, or practicing mindfulness can help clear mental clutter and create the mental space needed for creativity to emerge.
It's often during these moments of rest, when the conscious mind is disengaged, that the subconscious mind can work its magic, connecting seemingly unrelated ideas and generating creative insights.
Additionally, unlocking creativity often involves a balance between structure and freedom. While too much structure can stifle creativity, some degree of organization is necessary to channel creative ideas into actionable outcomes. Setting aside dedicated time for creative work, establishing routines that encourage creativity, and using tools like mind maps or brainstorming sessions can provide the framework needed to guide the creative process without constraining it. Lastly, fostering a culture of creativity requires a supportive environment where ideas are encouraged and valued. Whether in a workplace, classroom, or personal space, creating an atmosphere where creativity is celebrated can make a significant difference. This includes providing opportunities for creative expression, offering constructive feedback, and recognizing the contributions of others. When people feel that their ideas are valued and that they have the freedom to explore, they are more likely to take creative risks and share their unique perspectives. In conclusion, unlocking creativity is about creating the right conditions mentally, emotionally, and physically that allow ideas to flow and grow. It's about cultivating curiosity, embracing constraints, learning from failure, and seeking out diversity. By nurturing these elements, you can tap into your creative potential, generate innovative ideas, and bring them to life in ways that are impactful and meaningful. Creativity is not just about producing something new. It's about seeing the world differently and having the courage to act on those insights.